Welcome back to the channel. Today we are diving deep into one of the most legendary compact machines ever built, the Caterpillar D2 Bulldozer, a machine that may look small compared to modern giants but carries a history, power and reliability that has shaped construction, farming, forestry and land development around the world for decades. The Caterpillar D2 Bulldozer is known for its rugged design, simple mechanics and unmatched durability, making it a favorite among operators who value control, precision and long-term performance. First introduced in the 1930s, the D2 quickly earned a reputation as a workhorse capable of handling tough terrain, tight spaces and demanding jobs where larger machines simply could not go. Its compact size allows it to maneuver easily through forests, farms and construction sites while still delivering impressive pushing power thanks to its well-balanced weight distribution and strong undercarriage. One of the key reasons the Caterpillar D2 remains popular even today is its reliability. These machines were built to last with heavy steel frames, robust engines and minimal electronic components, which means fewer failures and easier maintenance. Many D2 bulldozers from decades ago are still running strong today, a true testament to Caterpillar engineering. The engine in the D2 is designed to deliver steady torque rather than raw speed, allowing operators to push heavy loads smoothly and efficiently. This makes it ideal for grading, clearing land, cutting roads and maintaining trails. The blade control on the D2 is another standout feature, offering excellent visibility and precision, which is critical when working in confined areas or performing finish grading tasks. Operators often praise the machine for its responsiveness and balance, giving them confidence even on uneven or sloped terrain. The Caterpillar D2 Bulldozer is also widely used in agricultural settings where farmers rely on it for clearing fields, building access roads, digging drainage channels and general land preparation. Its relatively lightweight design reduces ground disturbance compared to larger dozers, making it suitable for sensitive soil conditions. Forestry professionals also appreciate the D2 for its ability to navigate dense woods, clear brush and create fire breaks without causing excessive environmental damage. Maintenance is another area where the D2 shines. With straightforward mechanical systems, routine servicing can be done easily and parts availability remains strong due to the machine's long production history. Many aftermarket and original parts are still accessible, making restoration and upkeep cost-effective compared to newer high-tech machines. Fuel efficiency is another advantage, as the D2 consumes less fuel than larger bulldozers while still delivering reliable performance, which is especially important for small contractors and independent operators looking to manage operating costs over long workdays. The cab or operator station on the D2, though simple, is designed with practicality in mind, offering clear sightlines, intuitive controls and a comfortable working position that reduces fatigue during extended use. Even older models without enclosed cabs provide excellent visibility, which many operators prefer when working in close quarters. The versatility of the Caterpillar D2 Bulldozer cannot be overstated. From residential construction and landscaping to mining support and utility work, this machine adapts to a wide range of tasks with various blade options and attachments available. Over the years, straight blades, angle blades and even winches have expanded its functionality, allowing operators to customize the machine for specific job requirements. The D2 also plays a significant role in historical and collector communities. Restored models are often showcased at equipment shows and demonstrations where enthusiasts admire their mechanical simplicity and timeless design. These machines represent an era when durability and function were the primary focus, and many collectors take pride in keeping them operational rather than just on display. For new operators learning to run a bulldozer, the D2 is often considered an excellent training machine because it teaches fundamental skills such as blade control, machine balance and terrain awareness without overwhelming the operator with complex electronic systems. The feedback from the machine is direct and mechanical, helping operators develop a deeper understanding of how a dozer responds to different conditions. Even in today's market where advanced bulldozers feature GPS automation and digital controls, the Caterpillar D2 continues to hold its ground as a reliable, cost-effective and capable machine. Its legacy is built on decades of proven performance and real-world results rather than marketing hype. Whether you are a contractor, farmer, forester or equipment enthusiast, the Caterpillar D2 Bulldozer stands as a symbol of strength, simplicity and reliability, a machine that proves size is not everything and that true power lies in thoughtful engineering and dependable performance. If you enjoyed this deep look into the Caterpillar D2 Bulldozer, make sure to like the video, subscribe to the channel and share your experiences with this iconic machine in the comments below, because the story of the D2 is not just about steel and engines, it is about the people who have relied on it to build, shape and transform the land for generations.